Hi there, my name's Craig. Welcome to my channel, My Home Hob, bringing you delicious recipes from around the world each week. This week is going to be a beef Vindaloo. Vindaloo is an Indian curry dish, originally from Goa. It's based on the Portuguese dish carne de vinha de arroz, globally known in its British form as a staple of curry house, an Indian restaurant. It's often regarded as a fiery, spicy dish. The traditional recipe uses pork, but other versions have been prepared with beef, mutton, prawns, chicken and vegetables. So let's get on with the cooking. And first we're going to make the marinade for the meat. 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of hot chili powder, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 5 garlic cloves finely chopped, 3.5 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamom pods, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns and 1 cup of water. And we're going to whack all of this in the spice grinder. Hard spices first, just to get a dry mix. Then we're going to add the white wine vinegar, and then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients for the marinade. This is the bit that takes the work. The actual cooking of the dish is relatively quick. And here we have our finished marinade. And here I've got 450 grams of diced beef. We're going to add the marinade mix to this and 1 cup of water. And then we're going to mix it well and leave it in the fridge for around 24 hours. So we'll let all those spices really mix in. Just give it a stir every now and again just to make sure that the mixture is covering the meat. So let's start preparing the actual dish. Here I've got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're going to add our 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, our garlic and our ginger, and fry off for around 2 to 3 minutes. And next it's in with our chopped onion. You just want to fry this for around 3 to 4 minutes or until the onions are slightly cooked. And now I'm going to add the tomato puree. You just want to fry this off for 1 to 2 minutes just to take away the slight bitterness. And now it's time to add our marinated meat to the pan. Now give it a really good mix. Turn up the heat and we're going to get it frying again. And now we're going to add 1 cup of beef stock and mix this in well. And we're going to sprinkle the top of the curry with around 3 to 8 curry leaves. And now it's time to cover the curry, turn the heat right down, put it on a very gentle simmer for 1 hour. And now we're ready to serve. I'm serving mine with white basmati rice, and I'm just going to garnish the dish with some finely chopped coriander. And here's my beef vindaloo. It's packed full of spices, it's bursting with flavour. It's a really good dish. My name's been Craig, this is My Home Hob. I hope you liked what you've seen today. If you have, please remember to like this video, and if you could, subscribe to the channel. It helps me greatly. Many thanks. And here's a link to some of my other videos that you might like. Enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and see you next week.